Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel MindStream. You need to hear this if you're a health enthusiast. Food isn't just about stuffing your face, it's the fuel that keeps your body running. Think of it as high-octane petrol for a finely tuned engine. You wouldn't put cheap fuel in a Ferrari, would you? Each ingredient, from those colorful fruits and vegetables to the hearty meats and grains, has its own unique set of nutrients. We're going to break down these dietary building blocks and show you why they're crucial for feeling and performing your best. You want to be at the top of your game, don't you? Then pay attention. Right, let's start with the basics, the foundation of any good meal: fruits and vegetables. Don't you dare screw up your face. These aren't just garnishes. They're packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. We're talking about the good stuff, the stuff that keeps you from wilting like an overcooked spinach. Citrus fruits, like those zesty oranges and lemons, are bursting with vitamin C. That's your immune system's best friend, keeping you fighting fit. And don't forget about leafy greens like spinach and kale. They're loaded with iron for healthy blood and calcium for bones stronger than my resolve in the kitchen. You want to be able to handle the heat, don't you? Then eat your greens. Now we're talking my language: meats and poultry, the heavyweights of the nutrient world. We're talking about protein, the building blocks of your muscles. A lean cut of chicken, cooked properly, provides essential amino acids that help your muscles recover and grow stronger after a hard day's work. And don't forget about iron and vitamin B12, crucial for healthy blood and a sharp mind. You want to be firing on all cylinders, don't you? Then don't shy away from a good piece of meat. Listen up, landlubbers, we're diving into the ocean's bounty seafood. I'm talking about fish, shellfish, even seaweed. This lot is swimming in omega-3 fatty acids, the good fats that keep your heart pumping like a well-oiled machine and your brain sharper than my chef's knife. Salmon, tuna, mackerel, these are your champions. They're practically overflowing with omega-3s. And don't forget about the other goodies: iodine for a healthy thyroid, zinc for digestion, and selenium for a strong immune system. You want to be firing on all cylinders, don't you? Then get some fish on your plate. Grains and legumes, the unsung heroes of a balanced diet. Now we're getting down to the backbone of a good diet. Grains and legumes, don't you dare call them boring. These are the staples that provide the energy you need to power through your day. We're talking about complex carbohydrates for sustained energy, fiber for a happy gut, and a whole host of vitamins and minerals. Brown rice, quinoa, oats, lentils, chickpeas. These are your weapons against fatigue and digestive disasters. You want to be running like a well-oiled machine, don't you? Then fill up on these nutritional powerhouses. Dairy calcium powerhouse for strong bones and teeth. Now dairy, it's not just for kids, you know. Milk, cheese, yogurt, they're packed with calcium for bones stronger than my grip on a hot pan. And don't forget about protein, vitamins A and D, and a whole host of other essential minerals. But listen carefully, you lot. Choose low-fat or fat-free options. We want strong bones, not clogged arteries. You want to be able to handle the heat in the kitchen, don't you? Then choose your dairy wisely. Nuts and seeds, small but mighty nutritional powerhouses. Finally, let's talk about the overachievers of the food world. Nuts and seeds. Don't underestimate these little guys. They're packed with nutrients like vitamin E for healthy skin and a strong immune system, healthy fats for energy and brain power, and fiber for a happy gut. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, flax seeds. These are your secret weapons for optimal health. A handful a day keeps the doctor away, or at least that's what my granny used to say. You want to be at the top of your game, don't you? Then get snacking on these nutritional powerhouses. Fuel your body right. There you have it, you Muppets, a crash course in the nutrients that make up your food. Now you've got no excuse for serving up bland, boring, and nutritionally bankrupt meals. Understanding what's in your food empowers you to make smart choices, the kind that fuel your body and mind for peak performance. So get out there, experiment with different ingredients, and for heaven's sake, enjoy the delicious and nutritious food that you're putting into your body. Thank you, friends, for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.